Hello mga chinggu, mag-memorize na naman tayo in Korean language. In Korean words pala. Una-una is kada. Kada. Ibig sabihin is to go. Next is sada. Sada. Ibig sabihin is to buy. Next is chada. Chada. Ibig sabihin is to sleep. Mokda. Mokda. Ibig sabihin is to eat. Next is pada. Pada. Ibig sabihin is to dig. Next is tada. Tada. To ride. To ride. To ride. No, to ride. Next is soda. 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 Ibig sabihin is to stand. Next is eronada. Eronada. Ibig sabihin is to wake up. Chikda. Ibig sabihin is to take. Just like to take a picture. Next is ipta. Ipta. Ibig sabihin is to wear. To wear clothes. Ipta. Ito naman is shinda. Shinda is to wear din. Ginagamit sa shoes, socks at saka footwear. To wear shoes, socks or footwear. Sinda. Manada. Manada ibig sabihin is to meet. To meet. Konida. Konida is to take out. To take out. Next is kotnida. Kotnida. Or kotnada. Kotnida. Kotnada is ibig sabihin is to finish. Next is topta. Ibig sabihin is to cover. Next is karaipta. Karaipta is to change clothes. To change clothes. Next is chida. Chida is to measure. To measure. Next is kongbuhada. Kongbuhada ibig sabihin is to study. To study. Next is kinsanhada. Kinsanhada. Ibig sabihin is kisanhada. Ibig sabihin is to calculate. Next is mianhada. Mianhada. Ibig sabihin is sorry. Sorry. Next is onjunhada. Onjunhada. Ibig sabihin is to drive. Onjunhada. Next is ondonghada. Ondonghada. Ibig sabihin is to exercise. Ondonghada. Thank you.